for North Central DeSoto Parish in northwestern Louisiana, South Central Caddo Parish in northwestern Louisiana, South Central Bossier Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Shreveport, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated.
It's for the city of Shreveport.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles. In northwestern Louisiana, until 9 p.m. Radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shreveport, Taylor, Robson, Frierson, and Forbin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm.
Include Shreveport, Taylortown, Robson, Frierson, and Forbin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bossier, Caddo, and DeSoto.